What's good? Welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to make country style baked beans, and we adding Jimmy Dean hot sausage and ground beef. Easy recipe, let's get into it. Okay, now we're adding the ground beef. Go to Jimmy Dean hot sausage, little Larry seasoning. Larry seasoning would be the only seasoning I would be using, but you can use any seasoning that you would like. Yeah, but if you choose to use Larry's, just don't use too much because it can be real salty. All you need is a little bit. I'm just gonna continue to cook the meat down till it get nice and brown. Country style baked beans is a must-have dish at any event, especially summertime, Memorial Day, 4th of July. You know, those holidays there, you gotta have them country style baked beans. But yes, meat is done. Now I'm finna add my beans to the pan. Brown sugar Busch Baked Beans. Now I'm gonna add the steakhouse baked beans. These have onions and bell peppers in it. Adding my meat, already been drained. I'm gonna add a half a bag of brown sugar. Give it a little stir and make sure you break the brown sugar chunks up. You stirring it up. Now I'm gonna put some aluminum foil on it, wrap it up real tight, and put it in the oven for 2.5 hours on 250. Voila, this is it. Country style baked beans. Can't go wrong with it. But yeah, just let me know if you like this video, and you know, give me some ideas that y'all want me to do. But don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Be blessed. I'm out.